3,000 caches discovered by families or friends. 30 caches all over Limousin. 10,000 pois collected, much to the joy of little geocachers during Season 1 of Tèrra Aventura, geocaching made in Limousin. For this new season, many novelties await you. 6 new pois and new experiences to live. Zart will introduce you to Limousin's greatest art spots. Zé Femme will get your taste buds in gear. Zé Papeur will teach you the meaning of the word challenge. Zamela, a rare poise who will keep you on your toes. Zaitek will give you a breath of fresh technology. Follow his clues and capture him thanks to your smartphone. And Zekolo, prove your eco-friendliness by picking up litter found on your way. And receive this collector's poise as an award. The playground has grown a fair bit. Discover 30 new guests, a total of 60 adventures, and head out to search for Limousin's hidden treasures. But the little pois friends are in danger. Several new characters with dubious intentions were seen roaming. There are 3 of them, and they call themselves the Bad Pois. Zakid, the gang leader. Zeskro, the con artist. Zarbi, the unpredictable. Their goal, to slow you down in your quest and rule over Tèrra Aventura by invading the caches. As a member of the Tèrra Aventura community, your mission will be to stop them. For each bad poise you capture, you will be given an award, and there are also many prizes to win. Ready to try the adventure again? Tèrra Aventura, Season 2. The Shadow of the Bad Pois. See you at www.terra-aventura.fr.